All right, moving on. I know some of you are like, wow, Mr. Galt, you recorded this on Zoom after what happened to you at the teachers meeting. Thanks. Thanks for reminding me. Oh, wait, I just reminded myself. Anyways, see, I'm just trying to show you can engage with your students, even though no one's here. I'm just talking to the camera. Hopefully, you felt like we were a little connected there. All right, back to what we're talking about. Research reason asynchronous works in schools. Well, research says flexibility is great. Students can go at their own pace. Um, they get time to work. They say they get more quality work, and students prefer it. They love doing the asynchronous stuff instead of being in the classroom. And if you look at those first three things, or at least the first two, that's what our school advertising is based on. As much as I would love to just it not be that way, the reasons our families come to our schools is we promise them flexibility. We promise them that they can go at their own pace. I mean, that's one of our key things, and so we kind of need to honor that when we're going about it. And so that's why I'm not saying you have to. I should put a disclaimer. I'm just a social studies teacher. I'm just saying you might want to think about what we promise our kids. And so what can we do to help with the asynchronous part? When the students are on their own, what can we do to get them to learn the knowledge that we want them to know, but not making it extra. So when it's extra, they don't want to do it. Because think back to when you were in high school. I know some of you guys were the high flyers who would do anything extra. A lot of high school students just want to get through the lesson. So how can we get our students through the lessons daily and getting them to know what they need to know? And I think doing these quick videos, walking through the Connexus lesson will help out. But remember, you got to keep them quick because if you look at the number of people who watched my first video, the number of people who are watching this video, it has dropped dramatically because people don't watch long videos. Think about how many long videos you watch past the commercial on Facebook. Probably not many unless they're really, really good. And therefore, making the video shorter is great. Asynchronous. Let's keep going on. Press the next. If you feel like it, read this. Read the article down below. You don't have to. It's the great thing when you're doing your students. You don't have to rush them through. They can go through the lesson at their own pace. Asynchronous. I can never find the pause button because Zoom, and I just think it's Zoom.